Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a question how they could find a particular color, and this one's called tomato, and give the customer some options of colors, I guess. I'm not a big color guy because I'm a laser guy, but if we go to this website and you go down and you go, I'm going to look at all the reds. Here are a bunch of reds. Well, it gives you the RGB value. Like there's red, which is Corel's red or RGB red 255. But let's say you want this one right here. Well, you can either remember that or just copy that, go back into Corel, and I would suggest pasting it now. It pastes it in paragraph text, but it doesn't matter right now. We're going to go to Tools. Go to Windows and Color Palettes and Palette Editor, and we're going to add a color. And then all we have to do is go right here and, well, we need to be able to change it. Go to Color Views. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in this 255-690. So 255-690, and then hit OK. And there's that new color. So I'm going to click on it, and you can see the number, and we're going to add it. And there it is right there, and just say OK. Now it should show up in your document. It will probably be in your color palette, but it's going to be at the very end because it's a new color. So let's just go to the end. There's the tomato I just did, or tomato, and there is that 255. So what you can do then, if you wanted to do this, you can just click on there, and there's that new color. And this way you and the customer are both on the same page of the color. If you look, it's 255-690. And then it's in your color palette, or it's in your document palette right there. I mean, anytime you start a new color, let's get something other than that. It adds it to your document palette. So you just keep going, and it just, as long as you keep that open until you close Corel down. But let's say you're doing some text and you want it that color. So let's just go, we can just well, probably the easiest would be to fill it in. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go left click, no fill, right click outline. And I am going to get I could use, it'd be easier to just use the Smart Fill tool. Get the eyedropper and get your eyedropper and just pick that color and then fill in these texts with that color. And you can see they're all 255. So going back to that website, there's probably a bunch of these out there, but you could go to, let's go to blue colors, and then it shows you all these powder blue, navy blue, light blue, sky blue, and so on, and you can do the exact same thing. I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.